In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix audio delay on BandLab this year. Fixing audio delay in BandLab, whether you are using the mobile app or the web studio, requires a mix of tools and tweaks. Real-time latency can't be completely eliminated because of the processing time from your device and any Bluetooth hardware, but BandLab offers effective ways to minimize and compensate for it so your recordings stay in sync. First, use BandLab's built-in latency test. On mobile or web, it emits a test tone and measures how long it takes your microphone to pick it up. So if you are on Android like me, you can even manually adjust the latency right here inside the app. It's under Studio Settings, then go to Latency Fix, then click on Advanced Settings. The system uses that value to automatically align your recordings. For the best results, perform this test with all your recording gear connected and place your headphones near the mic instead of wearing them during setup. Next, always use wired headphones and microphones instead of Bluetooth. Bluetooth introduces significant delay, often 30 ms, that is microseconds, to 300 microseconds, that BandLab can't fully correct. For Android devices, latency tends to be higher than iOS due to hardware variability. But even wired setups can reach 50 microseconds. Manual compensation helps here. If you are monitoring while recording and still hear delay, consider switching to direct monitoring via an external audio interface. Many interfaces like Scarlett series provide near zero latency by routing audio straight to your headphones before it passes through BandLab. In BandLab's desktop web version, effects like pitch shift or auto pitch add processing time, so disable them during recording or freeze tracks afterward to ease CPU load. Finally, optimize your device performance, close background apps and browser tabs, clear cache, disable power saving on mobile, and even freeze tracks when mixing complex projects. If you are still struggling, you can manually adjust the latency value until your recordings align properly, adding or subtracting around 10 microseconds at a time. And yeah, that should solve the issue. Thank you for watching this video.